Welcome to the channel. Today I have a special video. I'm going to my project. I'm going to make a box myself, ship this out, dishwasher rack, this lower bottom rack. This particular rack I'm going to make a box myself. This lawn 23, I'm going to make a box 23 by with a styrofoam 10-inch, 23 long and 23 same like a wide, 23 by 23 10. Styrofoam especially I got my neighborhood area. Cardboard also I getting from their free, pretty much free. I getting I spend dishwasher for $15 sometime $20. I have a dishwasher right here, then we can see. I think right now I'm working on the two dishwashers, taking out the parts and especially racks, motors, motor pump and a drain pump, selling buttons and other platform as well, eBay. Okay, especially I like to make a box myself. I take a time about 20-25 minutes. I wrap up, made box myself. Usually I do that. I get the bigger white piece of cardboard and get the measurement. And sometimes I'm getting from Home Depot that bundle $10 right now, 15. I think that right now $15. But especially getting this like a special form, that's a warehouse. As if you want to start business, that number one state I think I recommend Indiana. The state is the number one state start your own startup business. That pretty much nice people around here, they giving pretty much stuff and so many opportunities. You can get this stuff free, and especially lawnmowers and dishwashers and other machine. Sometimes they giving free. They put on the marketplace as a free. Sometimes $10, $20. Pretty much when I getting and collected item. Alright guys, that's today's video. Especially I make myself. I'll show you a little bit closer. This is a silver color rack, fridge dishwasher. That's a particular rack with come with the silverware rack and bottom rack. This model number. You can see that. Yeah, I am working on this two right now. Two dishwashers. Pretty much taking off the parts, motor parts and board. Control board. Okay, that's the way I want to show you guys how to make a box yourself and ship it out and pretty organized. Especially you have with this styrofoam, otherwise it has a bottom rack has a wheel. Otherwise, sometimes you know that shipping delivery people, they throw in the box and might be can damage that parts. So I especially put the styrofoam like that and bottom and top of the rack. Okay, then make a box and this pretty gauge that cardboard. It's like a thick quarter-inch thick that cardboard, so very thick cardboard and heavy-duty cardboard. Then you can get your area might be a warehouse. If you talk to the warehouse people, might be they can give free. Might be you can spend a little money. But I got those cardboard free. They gave me a free styrofoam. That's what I'm talking about. There's nice people around this area. I'm so lucky to start business in Indiana. Okay, that's a video about today. I'm going to make a box myself and going to ship it out UPS. Especially UPS, they give big help for us for the business. They give a discount, and even FedEx also they give a discount pretty much. Plus, number one delivery service is UPS. I recommend UPS if you ship out like that box, especially lawnmower engine parts and dishwasher part and racks. That UPS they gain a big discount, and FedEx also they gain sometime good discount. Especially you mark on the cardboard the right measurement, then you can use that ruler and flat screw driver that easy. So that you can use like a blade, a sharp, lefty sharp like a blade. You can put. I'll show you that closely. You put that line with the screw and using the ruler. That's easy to you can fold and make a box. Very easy. Right now India is pretty cold outside, 40 degrees outside. Then I work with my buddy as oil filtered heater. I really like this one. This one as a tape, you know that you have experience sometimes work on the cold weather outside, tape gonna be stuck. Then I using that heater on the top, then getting a little bit melt is work to it very easy to work with the tape. Indian state good for the business, but issue is the winter time. It's too hard to work outside. I like the state Indiana pretty much. That helps for the start business. That's a good state to start your business. Okay, that's issue is a bad weather. When you have sometime getting zero, you cannot work outside. But I'm good with the shade little garage 12 by 20. That's comfortable with me. Garage could help for the, especially winter time. Okay, I marked the line. Over the line I mark already, then I'm going to use the scissor or knife, then cut the line. Okay, I'm going to make a very sharp knife. This one, it's like a blade. Let's see that. Alright guys, so pretty much done. I made the box as a final part. I put in the top like that thin layer. So exactly make like a original box. Honestly, nobody can complain about this box. This one you can make yourself and you can enjoy with that getting experience. About 25 minutes, maximum 30 minutes you spend. Good heavy duty and safe for the dish rack. Any part you can make like that box and safety your item. Okay, finally I'm gonna finish with this brown color packing tape with the top of the box. Then pretty finish and nice. Okay. Sealing with the brown color here, then you can see that pretty good shape. box. Alright guys, that's the way how to make yourself box and save money. Alright guys, hopefully you can make too, save money and shipping good and very comfortable box and heavy duty. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.